Welcome back to my channel. Let's hop right into this quick and easy salad. So I'm going to start off by cutting my fresh, clean romaine lettuce, and then I'm going to throw that into a bowl. Right after that, I'm going to drizzle just a little olive oil on top just to make you feel extra healthy. I'm going to drizzle a little oil on there, and then I'm going to season it. The key to a good salad is seasoning it. So make sure you season your lettuce before you add anything else, and make sure you check the description box down below for everything that I use. Once I have my lettuce nice and seasoned, I'm going to chop up my veggies. So I'm going to cut up one small red onion, half a red, orange, and yellow bell pepper, and one jalapeno. Once I have all my veggies chopped, I'm going to toss that in with my lettuce and give it a nice little toss. And then after that, I'm going to slice some dried apricots in half. But I'm not going to add that to my bowl because I don't want them to get lost in the salad. So I'm going to put these on top at the end. And to make this salad even more filling than it is already, I'm going to sprinkle in a little pepper jack cheese and a little Parmesan cheese. Not too much because I don't like a lot of cheese in my salad, but it is going to add a little more, a little more razzle dazzle. Then after that, I'm going to slice one egg because I don't really like eggs in my salad either, but since this is a veggie salad, I'm just going to add eggs as a replacement for meat. After that, I'm going to drizzle a little Italian house dressing, the light kind. You can use whatever kind you like, but I'm going to drizzle that into my lettuce before I top it with my ranch. You have to use like two different salad dresses, like a light one and a creamy one. Game changer. And finally, I'm just going to top my salad with my apricot and my eggs. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little more seasoning and some ranch dressing. Now, if you are vegan, just take anything out that comes from animals and replace it with your vegan stuff, and boom, good salad. And that is it for this salad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.